see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning, guys. Alis pala kami kasi punta tayo ng school. Kami pala. Mami's here kasi kuha si ma'am ng lobster and balik na sila ng Adelaide. Kunin lang ni Jan yung lobster. Hi, Rai!
Hi, Ron.
You're going? We're going now. A bit cold. Hey, Lucy! Punta sa school nila kunin yung gamit.
Ready for school.
Yeah, kasi next week, back to school. Hi, Mom.
Hello. Hello, Holly.
Hi, Willow.
Yeah.
You getting out? No. Hello, Auntie.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Hello, quick. Oh,
Come on,
hello. Yeah. Hello.
Hey, hi, Katita.
Hi, love.
You're going back?
Yeah, buried in here.
Oh my God, Auntie.
Hello! What, do you just wake up, did ya?
Yeah.
Hey?
Balik na sila sa Adelaide. Are you ready for school? No.
The crisis. Yeah.
Hindi pa sila ano. Kasi wala niya sa Adelaide, no, Auntie? They don't have that in Adelaide.
No.
That tangy sauce. Yun yung tangy sauce. Siya, Auntie.
We need that thing. We need the crisis.
Ayan. Yan yung tangy sauce.
in.
Ang dami niyan, Ma'am. For 2 years na yan.
Yeah. No, that's
That one. Wala niyan sa Adelaide. Yeah, we only here. Yeah, only here.
Yeah, thanks.
Alright.
Thanks.
See you, Ma'am. Kailan balik mo? 2 weeks?
Ah.
February.
Yeah, the wedding.
You're really good. Malamig, babe.
Oh. Yes, it's cold.
What? Cold? Oh, it's lovely. I just
You like it?
on.
You like it? Oh my, I'm cold.
It'll get hotter.
Oh, yeah.
Get away from the sea breeze.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Maybe in Adelaide it's better. than-
Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah.
Well, I nearly die when it is 40.
Oh, yeah, 41 at old, what Emma said.
Yeah.
She's got a wedding.
Wait, tomorrow.
All right.
Cricket boy. Pero laro pa siya ng football, Ma'am.
Oo.
Don't hit Auntie Leanne's car. Oh,
I said, where'd you play cricket last night? In the driveway.
in the driveway.
I only had 10 ball there.
Yeah. I said, oh, I've got enough dents and scratches in it already. I don't know how I got.
Yeah.
Filled up.
How long?
No, I'll do it in the mount. Oh, it's got half a tank in it.
How long you go fishing?
Hoy! Oh! Mabilis na lang yan, Ma'am.
Well, it's not too bad. It dropped down.
So, yeah.
Si Hunter, ba't di sumama, Ma'am?
Si?
Hunter.
May cricket?
May cricket din. Cricket, ano na ba? So next year, eto, cricket na din.
Yeah, we've got to go. We've got petrol to get, and they
Next-
want to go the quick way.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
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 passing lanes, you have to get around. You get stuck that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See ya. See ya, Ma'am.
Yeah.
See you
See ya, Willow.
in 3 weeks.
Quickly.
Yeah.
Bye, Willow. Got it, Uncle John.
Hey, quick.
See you.
Come on, Bob.
Alright, see ya. Yeah.
The kids can still cut the grass.
And after,
You have to tell Nana how many times you
how many times you cut? And Kuya to see you, Nana. Si Auntie Leanne.
Trip, another holiday.
Another holiday.
Oh,
That
you're
was a
lucky.
cheap one though. See ya.
Alright, see ya.
Yeah, see ya.
Drive safe.
Yeah, no
Yeah,
worries.
not
See ya.
127, Auntie.
Yeah.
127.
Oh, he dropped his bloody dry fruit loops.
Oh! Okay. Alis na tayo. And tinali ko yung buhok ko kasi yung wind ginugulo yung buhok ko. And parang napadami yung blush on ko. Dami ba? Lagyan na lang natin ang
On the
shade na lang
boards.
tayo.
The boat's in the boatyard.
Where are you gonna put it back?
4 o'clock.
Okay. In the boatyard?
It's in the boatyard at the minute.
Tinanggal niyo yung boat. Kung maalala niyo, may kinuha kami kahapon na pang, di ba, acid.
No, end up bloody putting the...
So,
Bring the boat out.
nililinis niya yung boat kasi ang daming weeds. Kasi 2 weeks daw siya hindi nag-fishing straight. And then yung weeds na stuck dun sa ano ng boat. So, nilinis niya tapos spray niya ng acid. Malamig yung hangin. Okay lang sana yung weather kung hindi mahangin. Mainit siya. Pero pag yung hangin, yun yung malamig na parang tumutusok sa buto mo. To think na summer na dito pero malamig pa rin sa amin. Baka sa Adelaide iba naman. Yung ano ko, masakit yung jaw ko dito lang. Parang swell pa siya doon sa ginawa nating Jotox. Swell pa siya dito. Dito parang okay na pero masakit dito. Kasi nga maga. Lagyan ko siguro to ng ice. So yung agenda, nasabi ko na ba kanina, kukunin namin yung books ng mga bata kasi back to school na sa Tuesday. Si Holly tsaka si Sak Tuesday yung back to school, si Kuya Wednesday. Monday is student free day. Then kukuha kami ng uniform ni Kuya. Are we gonna buy shoes? The black one? Stockings for Holly. No socks because I bought socks. But you have to get gray socks.
We get that at
We're getting that one, but white socks were good.
Wait, what did we do? Where's your own camera?
And then sa Kmart, yung binili kong screen protector ni Kuya, nilagay namin. Kaso yung camera, blurry. So, trinay ko ulit, ganun pa rin. So, sila na lang ipalagay ko. Kasi, pangit. Here. Shirts for the gray one. That one, Kuya. Tyron. That's your shorts. Not that one. That's the boy's shorts. Get two. How about Sak? It's TJ shirts. It doesn't fit you. Holly, hindi niya kailangan ng uniform. Kasi okay pa yung uniform niya. Pink, blue. This one here. 40. You sure? Try. Just... Yeah, it's alright. With the uniforms ng boys. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa room niya para kunin yung books ni Holly. Yung tatlong boys nasa front office kasi may kukunin din si Sak na about sa PE. Different one na uniform sa PE niya. You're in the second floor now. Wow! So you be careful coming up and down, Baba. Oh, which way? That way or this way? Dito nila nilalagay yung mga bags nila. So how come you didn't bring it back with you, Zach?
Because I didn't go to school on the last day. Dad,
Oh,
look.
you didn't go to school in the last day. That's why.
Wait, Dad. Dad.
What?
Look at all the shit in my pencil case.
Dala din namin yung ano ni Zach, pencil case kasi hindi pala siya pumasok
Come on, close
the
the
last
light.
day. Last day of school.
I didn't miss it.
Okay, we're going
Hey,
now.
Dad, do you need a
That's
pencil?
alright.
I'm not having that. I'll wash it.
Have a look and say, Jay.
Yeah, honey, you're good.
I'm not worried about behind me. I'm worried about what's
you're
coming.
So what's next? Shoes?
Go pick the car up.
And KJ and Holly can go with you.
Why? You can go with Daddy. Just give me your phone, Kuya. Next
What's the
agenda.
Oh,
Ah.
I'll tell you tonight, Reese.
Request. Daddy's requested.
What? You
Sausages,
Oh, gravy.
gravy.
Mashed potatoes, eggs,
Oh, I
and
wanted the onion on that.
No,
I can make
not
I
the
can make
onion one.
I can make for TJ and then I can make yours.
It'll be different, Tyrone.
Yeah, of
It's
course.
alright. It's my first day of cooking, so I will cook what Kuya wants and I'll cook what you want.
I cook what I want then.
Okay, what do you want?
I want the, yeah.
The
No,
fritada.
I haven't sausage.
That's
Oh,
the
yours is
fritada kasi si Zach. Tapos nag-giveaway siya sa daddy niya na unahin na lang muna yung sausages. Sabi ko, hindi ba kayo talaga nagluto? Nagluto naman daw once lang ata, nag-barbecue. Tapos the rest pag nag-beach din barbecue, pero hindi sila talaga nagluluto sa bahay. So they miss my cooking. Okay. Matamlay yung aking ito, hindi siya pwedeng matagal na kagal kasi matamlay siya. So yun nga, kunin namin yung car kasi dinapop namin yung car doon. Then, bili kami ng sapatos, shoes ng boys. Black shoes, right?
Hey, I don't need leather.
You don't need leather.
I need leather.
Yeah, because we just got used up.
Well, no, he can use
TJ.
No, I was using them last year.
Well, you know to set of them too.
No, because they were size 8.5, so I'll still probably get a year.
Yeah, you
Okay.
A year or like a half and a quarter.
Okay, para makatipid tayo, so that's good. So only Kuya was getting shoes.
Yeah.
I already got
Zach's getting sneakers.
sneakers, PE, for PE. Holly, all good. I got her. Oh yeah, I will get that in Kmart, Baba.
Kmart, you know
Yeah.
where they are, bub?
Yeah.
Blue ones.
Yeah. So I got her shoes in the
Wait,
Philippines,
no,
socks.
wait, does she need stockings now? Because she wouldn't
She doesn't need stockings now.
Yeah, but we
Yeah,
have to get
real.
We
because
can get it later. you
Yeah,
don't have to get it
real.
today.
Because while she gets a ghost bird, no, she won't have a ghost bird.
Yeah, but she
No,
doesn't
because
need it for a
no,
couple
but-
of months.
yeah,
Yeah.
but because everyone's getting it, and then we're gonna run out again.
They won't run
Okay.
out, Mum. You won't need them till like April.
Well, I'm still gonna get it if we see it. Well, you're not coming with me, Zach. You're going with Daddy, so you're not
Yeah, I
coming
know,
with me.
but like, you'll still probably get in 2 months.
It's alright, Zach. At least we're done with everything.
There you go.
So, and si Jan punta ng Bunnings ulit. Then, home. Right, Baba? You're coming with Mommy, my love? And then yung aming phone, yung cover, ayan na yung...
it is. Did they wash it?
No.
Ayan na yung car.
Did you wash it?
So ako magdadrive ng car na yan. Okay, let's go, Baba.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye. Who's sitting here?
Oh yeah, I will.
Boba si Holly. Si Kuya.
Do you have to go in, Dad?
Are you?
No, no one's here.
No one's here. So where's the key? Do you know?
Dad, you know I just pulled this
Dad, do
out.
I leave my stuff here?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't have to bring it with us.
Wait, you know I open the door for everyone because I just pulled that up and then it goes up and then I just open the door and it all opens. Right, bye.
Here, love you.
Love you.
Oh, love you. Can I see your lips? No? Just yeah.
I'm at Kmart. Can I get something to eat?
What do you want? Wendy's? Okay. Okay. Hot dog. Okay. You want hot dog and then... No, you're not allowed. Is she allowed to sit there back?
Yeah.
Are you? Is she? I don't know. Hinahanap niya yung keys. Where's the key?
Huh?
So maybe me and Holly can go. We can go separate way now, hon.
Why?
You can get the boys. Ah, yeah, I'll
Yeah, I
come.
can get the boys. Sure.
Oh no, I'll come.
Where'd you put the bloody cheese?
What he said.
Up top front tire.
Hala. Ano to? It's not on the top. Maybe at the here.
Huh?
Maybe here. Oh no. You got it, Baba?
That. Never mind.
No, it's not there. Wala naman pala dun sa gulong, sa top ng gulong. So nandito pala sa sa safety.
No, no worries. I'll have a good time and I'll talk to you. No, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Jesus,
Okay, see you, honey. Why are they in holiday?
Let's go on a road cup those.
Ah, okay. That's why they close early. Okay, see you, babe. I'm following you.
What? Why? Thought we were going separate ways.
No, it's alright. I'm gonna go with you. Para makita natin kung paano naman siya pumili ng kanyang sapatos. And si Holly allow daw dyan sa front. Are you sure?
I drove up here with Dad and I ran to the horse.
Oh, so dito tayo sa Intersport. Kuha ng sapatos. La, 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 la. What's that? Oh, Baba, maybe we can get your... No, they don't have it. Dito rin, kinuha ni Sak last time. Like a baby.
Why not?
Get a colorful one, Sak.
You find your shorts?
Dad wants these.
Huh?
You want that one?
He wants them. Size A.
Try it.
This is size A.
You have the same as Kuya. Pareho sila ni Kuya. You don't like other colors, Sak? Why?
So I'll just try this one.
What is it? Try 9.
9. 8.5, medyo may konting allowance lang.
You sure?
Yeah, leather. It's good one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. Kill two birds with one stone. Yeah.
That's right.
I'll just go. What do you like? 9.5.
Si Kuya kailangan niya ng black shoes. Yung leather. Yeah, I got her.
What do you mean?
She's done. I got
Try
you.
them on, TJ.
Yeah, mother's in the finish.
Why not?
These are 9.5.
Ang laki na ng
Make sure
sapatos
they're
ni Kuya.
going to last a while. 2 years on out of them.
Ah.
G'day, mate. Good.
Trying on some school shoes.
Yeah, them ones, and we'll try a size
9.
9 in those ones.
What size are you, yeah?
Yeah,
These are 9.5.
they're different. So I look at the materials on the upper, you can feel, but they're both then newer sort of shoes. These are more like your outdoors running sort of sport ones.
No, look at these.
Try it.
Steve, whereabouts is it trying that? Can you kind of point? Is that the edge of it there? Yeah.
On the last couple of years, mate.
Couple of years. He's still got a full thumb. Has he got half his size?
Yeah, that's 9.5.
Dad, this should be good.
Yeah, so maybe trying a 10.
Try 10 feet.
Johnny, what's happening?
Oh, you know, that time of year.
School shoes?
Then it's good time.
Yeah.
Cut now.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. Everyone's feet keeps growing.
They are.
Those ones down here just in case they're made, but
That's 9, Sak? My God.
In Western Border, they have, like East, they have a way going.
Is that? Go walk.
I don't know. Any other club would give me the answer, but East have rules of their own and they don't do
you
anything.
made these over here.
We buy
if you
in
want
white
to take a
shorts
seat.
and then own shorts online that didn't order them. I totally buy from us. So for the month, I don't know, 3 years or more, we supply shorts, they get their own jerseys. So
God, size 10. Is that the 10, yeah? 10?
Yeah,
Yep.
so that extra half size.
Yeah,
Does that look a bit big or what?
size 10.
So
You got a bit room at the heel
Yeah.
or
Put a
not?
room in the heel there.
So if you flip back,
Just tuck your heel there and stand like this. Place it back.
yeah.
Yeah, we have that thing and to put in.
Oh, you're going to inner sole?
Yeah,
Over there?
yeah. We have that. To put, it's in the...
So if he's got an inner sole to go in there, he's still got about a thumb and a
Yeah,
quarter
so it should.
in there. So the inner sole
Yeah.
should fit quite well and fill out.
Got one from the,
And so,
not from the podiatrist, are they proper ones from the podiatrist or just
No,
an
no,
extra?
they were just ones we got at the
Oh, yeah,
last year.
just
We
yeah,
got him
yeah.
know you sold me. I was
Yeah.
going to say to them that we're going to go to the front one and get his school shoes. But
Yeah.
they said they're here, so we'll get
Yeah, we've only not long had them. I think we
Tested him up before. He's when he stands up, just stand up for a minute, mate. His toes there, so full thumb width, which is what we want. And he's, when I pinch there, he's got plenty of room to move through there. So a 9's perfect. Yeah.
perfect.
Happy with these ones?
yeah. What size is that? 9?
9s. Yeah.
Not that bad. That one, that Nova, that one.
That's
So, kuha kami ng insole para dyan sa size 10. Kasi mayroong, at least may allowance siya.
but normally with the
something rubber boots.
Is
Not
it
too
tight?
tight.
Too tight.
well, maybe take the other one.
What?
Tight up there.
This here will be good, yeah. So maybe without.
It's probably they're going
I reckon they'll just get
Because,
softer
yeah.
They'll
and
give it a
stretch.
bit.
They,
Yeah,
because they
still
knew
firm,
they're tight.
yeah. It's
And
still
he's
firm.
complaining on the part where it is especially tight, right below that lace
Yeah,
sort of bit. But
but there still looks like a bit of room
yeah,
to do that.
he's still got a thumb
Yeah.
and bit
They'll
at
loosen
the
up.
end there, which
Good.
will give him plenty of room for room. And yeah, once he wears them a few times, that'll loosen up and give him a
Yeah.
little bit more.
Stiff leather ones.
It's an adjustment.
It will soften pa na. Okay, we're done. So, after dito, maghihiwa-hiwalay na kami. Kasi dyan pa na ng planning.
The toe shoes on the inside.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're done here. Okay, see you, Saki. Thanks, Daddy.
Thanks, Dad. Wait,
Yes, Kuya. Dala ko yung phone ni Kuya. Oh, good catch. Good catch. Okay, see you, yeah. See you. See you, Daddy. Love you.
hey, Dad, when you're gonna use the camera, just swipe across.
Okay.
Like,
You don't know to use it.
No, when to try, to check if it's fine.
Wasn't good yesterday.
Yeah. Okay, see ya.
What are you going to do? Just go to the camera and
Yeah. And Holly's food.
How do you make the setup?
Dito tayo sa Silly Solis. We don't need that one, Baba. I'm just gonna get the hat. Yung katulad kay Mom. Maganda siya. This one. I just want this. Yeah. Para pa nagsasampay. Tsaka sa farm. $5 lang.
$5.
Let me see, Baba. Because when you go to the farm,
I'm gonna be gardening.
yeah, see? You see, it's your try.
It's too big.
Is it too big?
Oh wait, Mom, they got this thing.
Yeah. Oh, it's still too big for you. No, wrong way. This one.
My hair.
Yeah.
Too big.
It's okay. Just
There's this one that Isla has. It's still there. I think we had 3.
oh. Meron naman akong hotdog. Pero gusto ko yung kay Mom. Kasi easy lang. There's white.
Mom. Mom.
No, I like the brown one. I get the brown one. This one, we'll get this.
This is the
Okay.
last one.
Yeah, last one. Last color. Ayan, madami sila ditong kung ano-ano din. $5 lang. Ayan, low price sila. Pinakamal na yung $5. Oh, look at the line. Ano ka? Haba ng line. Yeah, okay. What do you want?
Me?
Yeah.
I want the one you always get.
The mango?
It's the one you... Or is it the mango tango?
Yes,
sauce?
yes. Ako nitong one of each na protein balls nila.
Can I have this one?
Oh, so 3 for 7. Okay. And then 1 extra. I want Wendy's. How about you? I want Wendy's. How about you? So, yan na yung hot dogs. Isa kayo ni Holly. And then, nandun siya sa booth para kunin yung drink. And yung protein balls. Okay, we're done our lunch. Punta kami ng Kmart saglit. Tingnan lang. Oh, nilamig ako dyan sa drink natin, Baba. Mango tango, right?
Mango.
Crush. Mango tango crush yung kinuha namin. Nag-share na lang kami kasi hindi nga namin maubos yung isa. And, ano na pala namin, napalagay na namin yung privacy cover. Bili ako ng maliit na ano pala. Buti na nakita ko to. Para dun sa aking, $1 lang. Para dun sa aking rice. Kulang akong isa para sa rice ko. Sa shirataki rice. Ang hinahanap ko dito ay yung lalagyan namin ng mga brushes. Yung sa buhok. Kasi ang dami ko ng brush. Ang dami ko ng brush sa buhok. Kailangan ko mayroon akong parang jug na paglalagyan. Cute. So, dito natin lalagay. Luluto yung shirataki rice. Tulad dun sa pinsan ko, dito lang nakaserve. And then, alam mo lang kung lang rice lang or cups ang makakain mo. Pag nabusog ako dun sa hotdog. What's that? Mini storage. Ha? Eto na lang kaya. Tanggalin ko lang to.
Oh, Ma, this is what I need.
Ayan, oh. Can you hold this, Baba?
Why do you need this?
For the brushes, because we only have little one and our brushes are big. Maybe that one na lang, come on. Ayan pa pala, ang dami. Yeah, I think that's alright. I'm just gonna put some stuff inside para hindi siya ganun kalalim. Okay na yan. At least meron tayong lalagyan. Kasi ito, parang ganito ba, oh. Meron na nga dito nakabukas. Ayan, ganyan lang. Tapos lagyan ko na lang ng something dito. Kasi yung akin ay parang ganito lang. Parang ganito. Medyo malaking konti dito. Baka dito nga rin yung galing.
We have this.
Yeah. So, ganito na lang. Diba? Ha? What? You don't
Mom
need...
needs a calculator.
Oh, yeah. Where's the calculator? Not that one. Yeah, what calculator Kuya needs? Casio one. The Casio one. Not that one. The good one. Meron kasi siya, nawala niya. Scientific calculator. Pwede ba to kay Kuya? Casio kasi yung kanya eh. You don't want that? Huh?
It's got to be scientific one.
Yeah, this is scientific.
Oh, like, yeah.
Nah.
Other ones, different calculators, like.
No, they don't have the Casio one. You need the Casio one, but they don't have one.
Well, it's alright, we'll get that.
Yeah, go office work kan.
No, I'll get it at where we get the books. They've got them there.
Okay, where are you now?
Well, I forgot I had my appointment and
Okay, for your
Can you
bag.
tell
so
him to pick it
I'm
up?
just sitting
tell
there,
Daddy.
bag place.
Hanap siya ng stocking niya for school. Well, hindi pa naman winter. Yung boys nga ayaw pa siyang kuhain kasi sa April pa daw. Pero sabi ko, tingin na siya kung meron. Para tapos na. Here. This side.
Should be.
Here. I know, that sucks. Baka maybe they don't have it yet because it's not winter yet, Baba. The boys are right. Okay, let's
I got
go.
my socks.
Yeah. Kami saglit dito sa Drake's. Kukuha kami ng cream cheese. Kasi nakalimutan ko atang bumili ng cream cheese kahapon. Look at this, Baba. Kumuha ko ng coins sa carne dyan. Tingnan nyo. Ano? Kasi cream cheese lang naman sa coins ko na lang siya. Kasi maraming coins si Jam, marami siyang dollars dun sa ano. Tsaka 50s na coins sa car niya. Well, kuha din pala ko yung cucumber. Dagdagan ko yung cucumber. Ayan, Baba. Get two. Way up two, please. I need lettuce din pala. Make sure there's no bruises. Lettuce kasi wala akong nabiling lettuce kahapon kasi si Sat, pinamadali niya ako lagi. Wala sila. Wala eh. Yeah. Yeah?
We still need to get you something.
Opo po. Ay, ayan. Malakasya pa kaya. So, magkano to? 7, 8. How much is that one now? 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15. Okay. Kasya pa bang wala sila yung regular. Light cream lang meron. Okay na to. Light cream. Survive, Baba? 16.25 yung total na nabili namin. So, meron pa akong tira. Coins. Pagkala ko mag-short tayo. Ang plano kasi sa ano lang, yung cream cheese. But, yung avocado na nakuha ko kahapon, matigas pa, baka ilang araw pa yun. Then, kumuha ulit tayo ng cucumber. Although may cucumber na tayo. Ayan, daming coins ni Jan dito. Ayan, meron pa akong, ayan, may dollar pa tayo. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung coins ni Jan dito. Ang dami. Okay. Ayan yung coins. And then, ayan. Dito ko nakuha halos yung iba. Dami pa dyan. Basta yan. Going to Asian store.
Yay.
I'm just gonna get something there. We'll see if I can. Bahay na kami, guys. No. I got the other biscuit. And sa Asian store, itong mga nabili ko. Wala yung dashi. Yeah. Hindi to sa ano.
Oh, this is very used.
Bumili ako nito yung sa spices siya pag gumawa ko. Then, ito yung berry, ano ba to? Dried red midlar. Then, bumili ako nitong bakot tea, Singaporean mix. Sesame. And ito, bumili ako nitong seasoned seaweed para doon yan sa cucumber. Then, finally, meron na ulit silang Japanese
Mom, where's that thing?
sweet potato. So, bumili ako ng tatlo. Ayan, tatlo niya. Yeah?
You know what that thing is?
What thing?
Scooper?
Super. I just have that. More ginger. Kasi kahapon bumili ako ng ginger. Bumili ulit ako para sa gagawin ko ditong ano. Asa na yung ano? Holy. Oh my God! Baba! We don't have the dates, the dry dates.
For what?
You know the dry dates?
For what?
This one. You know the big dry dates?
Yeah.
Where is it?
For what?
The big red one.
I don't think you got it.
I did. I put it in the basket.
I don't see it. No, you didn't.
I did. That's the first.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first thing we got. Wala yung dates, yung dried. Kasama dapat nito pag pinaboil ko para yun parang tea.
Like the big one.
Yeah. Wala.
Oh, here's the best one. Small.
So sweet.
That's good.
Can you get kuya? Magpa-flex na tayo. Ayan, niluluto ko na yung sausages para kay kuya kasi gusto niya yung may onion. And kay Jan, Holly, and Zach, eto sa kanila. Dalawang onions. Si kuya, mahilig siya sa sibuyas. Ayan na yung onions ni kuya para sa kanyang sausages. Ang bango-bango. Ayan, luto na yung kay kuya. Ito, imamash ko na lang. Do you want me to, or you do your gravy?
Yeah.
You do your
Just put
own?
the jar on the edge.
Okay.
That's all, yeah. Just wipe it off.
Ayan.
Slowly.
Ha?
Just wipe the starlight until
Yeah. I think it's already.
Did you cook me?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm just gonna join the team and I'll be back.
Hoy,
I'm just fixing my
your food, baby. Lucky. And yung kay Sak, tinanggal
put
ko
salt
yung...
on there.
Yes, I did. Get out! Wooden fork! Para na. Kay Sak, tinanggal ko yung yolk.
Mom,
Niluto ko siyang
no,
puti lang. Welcome home.
welcome home 2 days ago. What's up with this stuff? Mom, I said one sausage, please.
Wait, Mom.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna join the team real quick.
Oh, well, whatever.
What's that?
He gave me enough for
Hurry up, JJ.
It's not mine. Try.
No, I don't want to eat now.
Dad, try.
The man of the house.
Mom, these eggs are good.
Huh?
Eggs? I forgot
Eggs?
the one.
Yeah.
I didn't look for it.
Okay. How are you, baby?
Hold that one, Bob.
Oh, si Jen kumukuha pa kay Holly.
I'm gonna eat my mouth.
Si Holly, sumasakit yung ipin. Too much lotus in the Philippines. So, next week, Tuesday, may appointment siya. Pinabook na namin.
Wednesday.
No.
I'm on the 28th.
Yeah, Wednesday for Zach. Si Zach, nung nasa
Not
Pinas
to
kami.
school, to dentist.
Yeah. Nung nasa Pinas kami, nagpabook na sila. Well, nag-visit sila, then another booking. Kasi nga, may pasta, and then si Holly check up. Ako, magpapa-reschedule, magpapa-appointment din ako after na nila.
See, that
Sila
that much
muna.
math. He was like up here. Over.
Malulubat na kayo, guys. Ginagawa ko yung, rinrecreate ko yung sa Ippudo na cucumber. Gumagawa rin ako parang tower. Ayan. Ito lang yung gamit ko. Yan. Then, meron tayo nito. Screenshot nyo na lang.
What are you
And,
making there, Mum?
eto, yung ano to, Dukas Satar.
Oh,
Ayan, maglalagyan ako nito. Wait.
Not yet.
Okay, come here, try here. Wait, not here. Here, come here. Not here. Wala na naman siyang damit. Na, you don't like? Joker talaga to. Akala ko, wow. Wait. Pinag-ano niya naman ko. Ano, you like it?
Not spicy.
Spicy, no? I put sesame oil as well. And then wait, I'm gonna dip in here. So I have some. Good. Oh, kasi may nilagay din ako dito sa ilalim. Parang sa good, really good na.
Hey, Mum.
Welcome. Holly! Come here. Come on, try this.
Oh, yes. Oh, he looks just like one bite.
Welcome. Tell me if it's the same.
Is this what you had in the Philippines? One more. Oh, one more? No. that way in the Philippines?
My hair. So good.
Mom, I like the one in the vinegar.
Because this is spicy.
Mom, I like the one in the vinegar.
You want that too? Yeah. Mas gusto din ni Sak din yung may suka nito.
So add what? Easy, and then I can just go right now. That's good. How should we do a massage?
Okay guys, yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you.
Like,
Please like, please subscribe if you haven't. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
Busy.
I'm busy.
Wow,
Not like you're busy. Busy on the game, aren't you?
Hugas pa ako pala. Ang sarap.
Time, so to speak, got me on delay.